I start by cutting 2 pieces of wire, one for the head and neck and the other for the front legs. I take 1 piece of wire, fold it to find the center, then twist it to make the head. I only twist about 1.5 inches of it. Then I take another piece, fold it in half to find its center, and twist them both together to make the front part of the body. I make a diamond shape where the chest would be, and I twist to make the rest of the body. Then I trim the 2 front legs. I make sure they are the same length, and then I take the ends and bend them in with the pliers. So this is what it would look like so far with those 2 pieces connected. Next, I take another piece of wire, measure it about the length of my forearm, and connect it to where the tail would be. This is going to give us our hind legs. After twisting the tail and the piece of wire together, I form and shape the hind legs. I bend in the ends of each hind leg to make the hoofs. Here is the end product.